Good morning, everybody. For today's video, I wanted to hit something that we got over the weekend that I think is a really important premise to understand for both buyers and prospective sellers. First and foremost, let's address the elephant in the room. I am very proud of the logo that I drew. Please hold your applause till the end, though. So today we're talking repairs versus upgrades. When it comes to the two, it is a very fine line when it comes to appraisals, values, and determination of value. So when it comes to repairs, basically anything, a lot of people think, oh, I've just replaced my roof, I've just fixed my foundation, I've put in a brand new AC system. These should increase my home value. Unfortunately, it's the opposite. Those are seen as repairs typically. Anything that fixes a main system back to original or better functioning is seen as a repair and does not increase your property value. Now, upgrades in turn would be something where you took a system that wasn't necessarily broken and added on to it. So for example, if you redid tile flooring throughout the entire house, if you came in and you remodeled the kitchen, the bathroom, anything for the sake of cosmetic improvements, those are seen as upgrades. Now, the last one is kind of like where the gray area lies of repairs versus upgrades, and that is the middle grounds. So when it comes to replacing a driveway, if you're replacing the driveway, that is seen as a repair. However, if you're adding on to the driveway, that is an upgrade. If you've got add-ons to the house, if it is, getting rid of one room to fix another, that is seen as a repair. If you just straight add on to the square footage with, say, another bedroom and bathroom combination, that would be an upgrade. What I find is when it comes to these appraisers nowadays, they are so swamped and so busy that they usually rush through these appraisals, is what I'm just honestly and truly seeing. And so the best thing you can do is, sit down with us, let us have that initial consultation, sit with you, let you know exactly what to expect when it comes to these repairs versus these upgrades. Because, before, let's say your AC is about to go out and you're wanting to sell your home, it's still functioning, but it's kind of on its last leg. If you're looking down the barrel of a, say, $10,000 AC repair job, that makes a drastic difference when selling your home. That's $10,000 more dollars you could prevent from having to do work on. Whereas in turn, if you come in and do a flooring remodel, that $10,000 could actually help you get an extra $10,000 in today's market. But in general, I always advise the best thing I can recommend, which is just call us, text us, email us. We're here, we're happy to help. We're always going to break down exactly what's going on to the best of our ability and help you truly, as a seller, make the absolute most profit that you can, or as a buyer, get the absolute best deal that you can. We are truly all about helping everyone to the best of our ability. Heading into this week in general, it is an amazing Monday. We had a super busy weekend and I was so very proud of it. Our team, I'm proud to say, we were able to help 4 different families find their next home or sell their current home, which is an amazing feeling to do so much business and to be able to help that many people. And once again, they were all referrals, and that is it just fills me with pride, honestly, because every day I'm learning that our reputation now precedes us. People are aware of us. They know our brand, our logo. And I just, again, want to say thank you. Referring your friends and family to us is the highest honor you can give us, and we would love the opportunity to continue to earn your business every single day. As always, if you need anything, anytime at all, call, text us at our new office number. You've got my personal cell phone number as well, my email address, whatever anybody needs, anytime. We're here and we're happy to help. Thank you. Have an amazing Monday, and let's make it an amazing week, everybody. You have a good one.